Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. So guys, it is almost the beginning of October, so that means we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy in the month of October. Is October going to be a green month, a red month? We don't know yet, but we're going to find out. Right now, in the past 24 hours, the market is currently up about 2.68%. We're seeing a nice little green momentum here going into Wednesday night and Thursday morning. So top gainers in the past 24 hours right here, OMG Network, which is up about 25.6%, trading at around this $11 area. Our highest volume is, like usual, Bitcoin, with Ethereum following right behind it. Bitcoin is up about 3%, trading around this 43,000 area. Ethereum almost at 3,000 again, up about 4%. And as we can see, these altcoins are starting to push on higher as well. Like we always say, as the large cap coins, push on higher, the mid cap and the low cap coins start to follow that same trend. So Binance is up 11%, Ripple 6%, Solana almost 3%, Polkadot 5%, Avalanche 9%. Almost all these coins are up about 5% or so, or even higher, depending on which one we're looking at. So we're seeing a momentum on up right now. Could this be the beginning of another bull run type situation going into the month of October? We'll have to wait and see. But before we wait and see, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are going to be in the description for that as well. Now let's get into it. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Ripple, XRP. So XRP here in the past 24 hours is up about 6.22%. It is trading at 95 cents. In the past week, this one is down about 5%. In the past month, down 16%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 293%. So this altcoin right here was trading around 24 cents last year. Hit highs here at one point at almost $2 in April. So we saw, huge momentum right up. Then we saw the crypto space pull back down all the way down to about 53 cents or so. And then obviously back up to over $1.35 or so right here at the high in September, with a slight pullback now in the past 2 or 3 weeks. So Ripple's market cap is at around 44.6 billion. Volume is nice there at 3.6 billion. Typical hold time is 31 days. If we take a look here, XRP is a cryptocurrency used by the Ripple payment network, but for the enterprise use, XRP aims to be a fast, cost-efficient cryptocurrency for cross-broad payments. Now, what is XRP? Well, XRP is a cryptocurrency used by the XRP ledger, which supports international currency exchange and remittances. XRP can function as a bridge currency in transactions involving different currencies such as US dollars, Japanese yen, euros, francs, and others in use on the XRP network as well. So this is a coin. It's an old school coin. It was a lot more popular before the whole situation happened with the lawsuit and all that. But XRP is definitely one of those coins that's been around for a while, and it's been an old school coin, and it's still holding on tight and has a potential for a run in the future as well. Once all this negative data and bad news, surrounding it gets away from it, XRP could be a bull, type runner, and could make up some of the, gains that it's lost, I guess, over time because of this whole situation has been going on around it, and it might be pretty much lagging behind, and we might see an explosive momentum on up in the future. So XRP is going to be definitely our first altcoin to be looking at. Our second altcoin on this list is going to be Binance Coin BNB. So this one, another huge movement here, trading at 375. Last night we were just trading at 335 at one point. Then we saw here Wednesday morning, pretty much it popped from 340 all the way to 370, consolidated all day long, and now another momentum on higher throughout the end of Wednesday. So it is currently up 11.6% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, we're pretty much trading flat. In the past month, we're down 21% from highs of over $510 at one point here on September 4th. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, we're up over 1,180% from lows of last year at $28 or so. We hit highs here in May of over $690, and then we pulled back down all the way to lows of about $264. So from $264, we went to $500, which is about a 90% gain right there in about 2 months or so. And now we're seeing a slight pullback, but we're still far away from that all-time high, about $300 potential on the upside, which is close to about maybe around 75 or 80% upside that we're seeing just to get back to the all-time high. So market cap currently 62.8 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 2.4 billion. Volume has definitely picked up there by almost over 84% or so. As we take a look down here, what is Binance Coin? Well, obviously Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid in Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount. So you guys should be very familiar with this coin because this is one of the most popular coins out there. It is obviously ranked, I believe number 3 on our list or number 4. Cardano and Binance keep flip-flopping back and forth. I believe it's actually the 4th ranked number coin right now, but it's always coming back and forth with Cardano depending on the fluctuation of the prices. Binance Coin, definitely one of those coins that is also, it's been around for a while. And if you take a look here, like we said, in the past year, it's up almost 1,200%. That's an insane amount. That means if you invested $1,000 into Binance Coin, that $1,000 would be close to around $12,000 of profit right now in just a matter of 1 year. So those type of returns, we don't see that in the market very often, but obviously in the crypto market, everything is multiplied, I guess you could say, compared to the stock market. Stock market, you might see a 10 or 20% gain. Meanwhile, cryptocurrency, you'll see over 1,000% gain, just because cryptocurrency is still new and it's still getting a lot of traction as new investors start to get in and more money starts to pour into crypto space. It becomes more popular, and that obviously helps us continue to push these prices on higher, even though some of these coins have not much backing it with a valuation type situation, but it's still pushing on higher and higher, and that's definitely something that we're interested in seeing. So Binance Coin is definitely going to be an interesting coin in the month of October that we're going to be watching on our watch list. And last but not least, guys, our third altcoin is going to be Avalanche, one of those momentum plays, guys. So once again, this one is starting to roar. It is up about 9% here as we take a look in the past 24 hours, trading at $67.63. In the past week, we're down about almost 15% or so from highs at one point at around $80 almost. In the past month, we're up 42.55%. So just recently, we hit those all-time highs and we continue to go on higher, which is nice. So in the past year, we're up over 1,463%. Nice movement right here. Last October, we were trading at $4. Then we hit highs here in February at $55. Continued to consolidate, even though the rest of the market was booming here in May. This one just consolidated sideways and then obviously pulled back down to lows of under $10 at one point. And then we went from $10 to over $70 plus. So over a 600% gain in a matter of a month and a half or two. So 600% return in 2 months. That's an insane return. Imagine if you would have put in, $10,000 into this, coin, you would have made about $60,000 in profit very, very quickly in about a month and a half or two. So you just have to pick out these coins and find them. Obviously, you want to be the first one in and the first one out, so you can make the most out of it. And that's exactly the situation that we saw right here with the, Avalanche. Huge momentum right there. Market cap was super low. Right now, market cap around 15 billion, volume at 1.4 billion right there, up 42%. This one, the price is moving very quickly. So Avalanche describes itself as an open, programmable, smart contracts platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets. So this is a coin that has been roaring lately, gaining a lot of eyes. A lot of money is rolling in, obviously, which is bringing us a lot more volume, and obviously that market cap continues to go higher as more and more investors start to pour in their money into a coin like this. So definitely another coin we're going to be watching. We're hoping to break through that $100, price target, I guess you could say, for October of 2021. So it's going to be very interesting to see. That's about, over 30% gain potential if we can do that this month. So Avalanche, number 3 altcoin, guys. So those are the 3 altcoins that we're going to be, looking at in the month of October. Now, guys, we're going to be taking a look at the rest of the market to see how everything is performing. First of all, we'll talk about Bitcoin, which is up about 3%. Trading at almost 43,000. We were at lows down here at one point at under 41,000 here, on Wednesday. We continue to go higher Wednesday night, which is beautiful right now. 778.4 billion market cap, which is around 34% of the crypto market. Typical hold time on Bitcoin is 85 days. Right now, trading activity is on the green side, so 72% buy with a 28% sell. So a lot of people are buying right now. They're buying the dip. There's a lot of people obviously always buying the dip. Every time we see another low, people are buying and loading up for the future because they believe in Bitcoin, and pretty much same thing for Ethereum. So Ethereum trading at 29.56. We saw it go to lows down here of about 27.81 at one point. So, pretty nice low right there to buy the dip. 349.3 billion market cap, 15% of the crypto market. Typical hold time on this one is at 82 days. 74% buy, 26% sell activity on this one. So, Ethereum, people are buying the dip on Ethereum. They're buying a dip on Bitcoin as well. They're being very bullish, which is obviously a positive sign for the future, as we believe it's going to continue to go on higher. So obviously here on the 1 year chart, Ethereum did hit highs of 4,000 just last month in September, and now we're seeing this downtrend all the way to lows, and now we're hoping for another turnaround in the future and not to continue to go back down where we were just a few months ago in the under the 2,000 area. So we're hoping for another turnaround. Then we see Solana, like we always talk about. Solana's another big one, guys. It's making a little bit of a momentum up. Doge is still pretty low. Like we said, I think it's game over for Doge, but it's performing, decent here in the past week, trying to, recover, but it's not working. It just continues to go lower and lower in the past month, down over 28%. Past year is still obviously up, but that's only because we saw that momentum in the beginning of the year. Current market cap for Doge is 26.5 billion, 64% buy, 36% sell activity. Doge, I think it's game over for Doge, guys. There's a lot of you guys that are still holding it and believing that it's going to rally on higher back to the all-time highs. I think that's very far, away from that. We would have to be close to 100 billion market cap, which I don't think is going to happen to Doge anytime soon, unless something crazy happens in the future with it and it gets pushed on higher. But other than that, I think we're very far away from that situation, and it's kind of in no man's land right now. So you guys let me know in the comments below, what do you think about Doge? Is it game over for Doge or not? What do you think is going to happen in the crypto space in the month of October? As always, if you enjoyed this type of content, guys, smash that like button for me, show some support. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links going to be in the description for that. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so speak to your financial advisor before investing. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Do your own due diligence and understand the high risk, high reward type situation before investing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.